Hello everyone, myself Peaboy. I create this channel for those people who want to learn something new and want to increase their knowledge. Then just stay with me and support me. So today I'm going to show you how to download and watch any movie for free in legal way without any aid. So let's get started. So it is done through by Google Doc. If you are wondering what is Google Doc, so I will explain you about Google Doc. Google Doc is nothing. It is just technique. When you search anything in Google search engines, you will get exact what thing you want to search. So I will teach you how to watch any movie for free. Just type in search bar which movie you want to watch. So I will like you Avatar. Then which resolution you want to watch that movie. I like 360 pixel. And which file format you want to watch that movie. And then site. Look, you have found. Click on it. Tap on browser. It takes some time when it's loading. If you are new in my channel, then hit the subscribe button and like button and share with your friends and other members. It also depends on your data. Look, it's working. I will search other movie. You can also download here. There is option on upside. It only show those movie which other people uploaded on Google Drive. So thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button, like button and share with your friends and family. Thank you and have a great day.